Here's an update on that remote control throttle that I did on my machine so far. This is the first job that I used on it, but this is a good example on this job. I want to show you guys why I need the remote control throttle and how is this helping me a lot. On this job I just finished doing all the traffic areas, so all the open areas and all the traffic areas. This carpet was in bad shape, so I had to scrub all the traffic areas with my rotary machine to scrub it. But anyway, I left it all there, and here's the one that I used to detail the edges and around the furniture. And I moved a lot of furniture out of this room. So on this job, this is how the throttle works. So let's say, I finished moving all the furniture, finished doing all the areas. I want to put the furniture back so I can put those little plastic tabs and the styrofoam blocks underneath without having to worry. So I'll show you here. Do you see that? Here's the plastic tabs. This one I already placed it back. So I put all those plastic tabs to protect the furniture and to keep the furniture from making any stains on the carpet. So before having the remote control, I would have to run over to the machine and lower the accelerator down to keep the machine from overheating and keep it from dumping all the hot water into the waste tank to cool off the engine. That saves me a lot of time, saves me a lot of dumping and refilling not refilling, but dumping the waste tank, because it fills up pretty quick when the machine overheats. He has this automatic switch that dumps the water out to cool off the engine and to cool off the water so it doesn't start steaming too much. So then I cannot just from here just lower the machine. I lowered it down so it could hear me, because we can't hear the machine from here, but we can hear the whistle on the one. So let's say if I bring it up, you'll hear the machine, the vacuum on the one going up. You hear that? Lower it down. So this is great. It saves me a lot of time. It saves me all the gas. And whenever, if the client comes by to talk with me or something, I can hear them because I can lower the machine real quick. Instead of having all this, this noise driving me crazy over here. So you see, if I start talking with you guys, you can even hear me. So when I lower it down, so now I can take my time, placing back the furniture. All I have to do now is just move the furniture back. I can easily move the furniture, but I can take my time, placing the furniture back, finishing the job without having to worry about my machine, burning gas for nothing or overheating over there. Plus, I can bring the customer over, talk to them about any issues on the carpet. If there's any stain or anything that didn't come up, I can show it to them before I finish the entire job. And I can talk it over with them without having to worry about the machine overheating or that loud noise, driving me crazy here. So this is it. I'm loving this stuff. I just regret not doing this earlier. So I'll let you guys see it one more time, and I'll show you how far. This job is not as bad because it's a small house, but sometimes if I'm in a big house, it takes me a long time to go out on the van and lower it down and then come back again. All the walking and all that stuff drives me crazy. So here's where the van is. I'm gonna lower it down again. see. See that? Water's not overheating at all. That's it. I have unplugged the box up here. Everything is working great. Thanks for watching, guys.